The plane crashes, you survive, but now the real test begins. What would you do next? It's 10 a.m. in the blazing Atacama Desert. Your plane just crashed, the cockpit's in flames, the pilot's gone, and you're 50 miles from the nearest mining camp. The air? Over 110 degrees. The ground? Even hotter. You've got 15 salvaged items, and your life could depend on how you use them. Here's how I'd rank them. Survival style number 1. Water. No contest. Hydration is everything in this heat. Next up, the map and compass. If rescue's not coming, you need to find that mining camp. The parachute? Shade and signaling? Sunglasses and coat? Protection from the brutal sun? First aid kit? Obvious lifesaver. The knife? Super versatile. Then the paint. It's not vanity, it's for safety. Disinfectant for homes, not drinking. The book can make backup from things. Battery and pistol? Lower priority, but could help depending on the situation. Salt tablets? Be careful. Salt speeds dehydration. So what would you choose first?
Explanation. So the cosmetic mirror you can use for signaling. You can reflect the sun and you can signal like planes or people or whatever you want to signal.